deep inside the bones of your skull, is a remarkable system that helps control your movement and balance. This highly organized mechanical system in the inner ear constantly monitors how your head moves and helps keep your body stable. It includes 3 semicircular canals filled with fluid and lined with tiny sensory hair cells. Whenever you turn, tilt, or move your head, the fluid shifts inside these canals. The sensory cells detect these movements and convert them into electrical nerve signals. These signals travel through the vestibular nerve to your brain, carrying important information about the position and movement of your head. Your brain combines these signals with information from your eyes and muscles throughout your body. Together, they help you maintain steady vision, control your posture, and keep your steps coordinated while walking or moving. This remarkable system provides one of the basic foundations for balance, movement, and spatial awareness.